Hi, today I'm going to show you how to select a roommate. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to your My File and return back to your application. And that should bring you back to this page. For today's demonstration, I will be using test user Ralph. Okay, we return to our application, enter your application, and you should be here. Actually, no, you're going to be at step 11, confirmation, because you've already paid the application fee. Just because we're using a test user, we can skip that. Anyways, the main point is that step 12 is now visible, and that is the roommate module. So let's go inside and take a look. There's two ways to actually search for roommates. You can search for roommates by details. So if you know exactly who you want to choose as your roommate, you can just type in all the information here and search them up that way. Another way is if you don't have anyone in mind, you can browse matching roommates. Now our automatic search will display a list of possible roommate whose lifestyle preferences are a close match to your preferences. And it ranks it in terms of the highest compatibility. And so for each person, you can request them, view their profile, or send them a message. So you can view the profile, take a look, see if you like, and if you do, request. Press yes, and now David has been requested. So now we'll return back to the roommate module, and we'll see down here in requested roommates, test user David has been requested. Now you can either cancel request, you can view the profile again, or you can send a message, same kind of stuff. So now let's skip on over to test user David's application because I want to show you what his screen shows. On the requested roommate section, test user Ralph, who we were using previously, has requested you as a roommate. You may accept or decline the request. So now you have the option to accept, decline, view profile, or send a message. And that is pretty much the roommate module right there.